country well known for its islands featuring pristine beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and top-tier diving spots. Apart from its beauty, we continuously face the wrath of nature, suffering from different natural disasters, especially floods and droughts. With this, fueled by climate change, locals have been affected, especially the agricultural sector, the backbone of our economy. This leads to farmers being distressed, having ravaged crops, including the loss of livelihood and the decline in agricultural productivity. With this, our project aims to introduce a system that will help subside the effects of the threats posed by the mentioned natural disasters.
Our country, especially our farmers, have been severely affected by its adverse weather patterns for the past decades, with its impacts worsening even further due to climate change. This results in our farmers' hard work being ravaged by typhoons, droughts, floods, and etc. In addition, there has been an increase in reports regarding the amount of damages and losses that our farmers have faced. In a report last year on July 25, 2025, the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, or NDRRMC, Agriculture Undersecretary for Operations Roger Navarro stated that the storms and monsoon rains have affected 45,408 farmers and damaged 43,741 hectares of farmland, mostly rice fields. Of the 41,189 hectares of rice lands impacted, 32,445 hectares were partially damaged with recovery potential, while 8,744 hectares were totally lost. Estimated rice production losses stand at 19,819 metric tons, roughly a third of the country's daily consumption, valued at 664.4 million pesos.
T.A.L.E.S is a prototype that automatically irrigates crops using Arduino ESP32. In a clear rectangular tank, it first detects the moisture of the planting soil stored there. If it is not moist enough and is in need of watering once more, the prototype then checks the pH level of the water stored in the connected water tank. If not suitable, it adjusts the acidity. Once the program ensures that the water's pH level is suitable for moistening the soil, it is then sprayed onto the surface of the clear tank's plot itself. Excess water is filtered down the filtration system consisting of charcoal, sand, pebble, and gravel below the soil to be stored once again in the water tank. This process repeats itself depending on the soil moisture, ensuring the survival of the crops.
Our project helps not only the farmers with their farmlands, but also our society. In the bigger picture, this can potentially eliminate hunger because of its automatic process in irrigating the crops. As the water gets recycled and balances the pH level of the soil, it will ensure not only the survival rate of the crops, but also its quality, being great for consumers. Aside from this, our project will help the agricultural sector of the Philippines as it focuses on providing better compensation for the grueling effort of our farmers. In addition to increasing the industry's contribution to our country's overall GDP, it also allows farmers to acquire more applicable technical skills which would help in the production of their crops and preparing them for a rapidly advancing society where technology is ever present. Overall, our project supports the production of raw goods, specifically crops, in a way that's sustainable and easy to maintain. In addition, it helps to provide a healthier life for the crops as T.A.L.E.S would prevent them from succumbing to any severe weather that could make way for any other problems to maintain, especially pests.
In conclusion, our project provides a system that relieves the burden of our farmers' routines to maintain their farmlands. This subsequently sustains and improves our country's agricultural sector, boosting agricultural productivity and the local economy.
In addition to this, it further enhances the implementation of the mentioned Sustainable Development Goals, which fosters not only a better and healthier life, but also a bountiful future for our fellow Filipinos.